one and all present over here. On behalf of Sri Krishna International School, Mandapura, Bhubaneswar, R. Satoshi Patra, extreme a warm and heartfelt welcome to each one of you. It is our immense pleasure and pride to announce that our school has been chosen as the host for today's capacity building program. This is truly an honor for us, and we are delighted to have such distinguished guests and participants with us today. Now, it is my privilege to introduce our esteemed resource persons, Mrs. Niharika Das Ma'am, PGT Computer Science, TAP Public School, Mrs. Nirima Priyadarshini Panda Ma'am, PGT Biology, BJEM School. We are grateful to both of you for gracing this occasion with your presence and expertise.
The Sri Krishna International School on Capacity Building Program. So today we will start this program with light lavatory, and after that we will start this session. Thank you for coming. Thank you so much, everybody. I will.
A very good morning to one and all present over here. Myself Niharika Das, and today we are going to attend a training session on the topic stress management. Stress management, before coming to this session, all are in a hope to release the stress, and that is the need of the hour. Everybody wants, nobody wants to take stress, but sometimes what happens now, some situation arises and stress comes, all of a sudden it comes. Okay, intentionally it doesn't come. Okay, can anyone tell me over here, what is the difference between tension and stress? Are they same? Tension, sometimes we take tension, sometimes we get stressed. What is the difference between these two? Are they same?
They're not same.
Yes ma'am, please.
They're not the same.
Yes ma'am.
Tension is for that period, that is circumstantial.
Yes,
But stress is for a longer period. Like if something is in our mind, means it remains until another work is done or we are relieved from it.
Yes, thank you so much ma'am. Tension, as per man's person, I say tension is a short period of mental pressure is called as the tension. But stress is, if the tension is lingering for a longer period of time, that is becoming stress. then don't you think that both are dangerous? Tension is dangerous as well as stress is dangerous. Nowadays we can see that the portion of stress is becoming more. In the older age we will see they were getting stress, but the factors were different. Now also we are getting stress, now the factors are different, but in both the cases we need to manage or we need to balance the stress. Because if the stress will remain in our body for a longer period of time, then its hazardous effect definitely we will face one day. Today in the session, our schedule is telling that in the first, this is the schedule given by CBSE. First we have introduction session on the topic need and importance of stress management. I hope all of you will agree that stress management is very much needed in our life. Everybody, as a teacher, every moment we are getting stress from different factors, from family, from workplace, from our friend circle, from everywhere. All are expecting a lot from us, but all time we are not able to comply their requirements. That's why many times the stress is coming to our mind. Then in this session, we will learn what are the factors that causes stress. Also, we will read how to release the stress. I hope at the end of this session, we will know how to release our stress. That is needed. In the first session, we will read the need and importance of stress. Then, in the second session, we will learn about the understanding stress. Then we will read about myths and misconceptions regarding stress. We have lot of misconceptions about the stress. Also, we will know what are the sources of stress. I will not tell, you will only tell what are the sources of stress. Then decoding the stress response and its impact. Also, we will read managing stress, the effective and ineffective ways, and mindful mantras for stress-free life. Everybody needs a stress-free life. What are the mantras to lead a stressful life, stress-free life, and open house and feedback with tea. And for your kind information, I want to tell that at the end of this session, we have a small self-assessment. Okay, we will learn at the end of this session how much I learned. Okay, what is my improvement, where I was and where I am. Okay, at the end of the session, we will have a small assessment. And by telling that, I am not creating stress on you, I hope. If I will go on telling that there is an assessment at the end of this session, I hope all will be stressed. Okay, please don't be, because the questions are very familiar type of questions. And our objective is not to attend the assessment. Our objective is to release our stress. For one day, we are relieved from the schools to get some relaxation, and I hope we will be relaxed at the end of the session. Here, I will do a small activity. Here what we will do, these are, you will also find different stress relieving musics. In YouTube, everywhere stress relieving musics are there. How many of you have listened, you want to listen this type of music? Yes, many times. And these musics have a lot of impact on our mind. These musics that will, if we were, and while listening to the music, we need to close our eyes. We need to feel the music. Then only we will get the proper impact of those musics. Now I request all of you, now I will play the music over here. I request all of you to close the eyes. You can see the timer is given for 3 minutes. Okay, the music will be played for 3 minutes. If we will close our eyes and gradually we will feel the music, then definitely we will go to a different world. Here in the music you will listen the nature's voice. Nature will tell how to relax our stress. Nature has lot of impact. If we will move around the nature, we will get lot of stress relieving factors. Here I will play a music. I request all of you to close your eyes and please don't think anything else. Only concentrate on the music and feel you are wandering in the nature and enjoying the music. Okay, to start the music, I request all of you to close your eyes. give lesson in this meeting? Anybody? First? Very nice. Talking about birds. Anything else?
Based on lesson.
Peaceful music. This mind relaxing music, my dear teachers, you will find a lot of plenty musics are available in YouTube. Many times we get stressed, and I also myself prefer to listen to this type of music. And this is really has lot of impact on our mind. Those are designed in that way, and during that time we can release our stress up to some extent. Next we will already we have discussed what is stress, and here we will discuss in detail what are exactly how to manage the stress.
What is stress? Stress is your body's response to danger, worry, or any big change. Both happy and sad events can cause your body to respond. The body makes stress hormones. These can cause physical changes such as faster heartbeat, rapid breathing, muscle tension, sweaty palms. These changes can help you face the danger or run. This is called the fight or flight response. This response to stress can be really. It can give you extra strength and energy. But ongoing stress can be harmful. Learning to cope with stress is important. Examples of stress. Imagine a bill in your mailbox with past due printed in large letters on the envelope. You open it and think, how will I pay the bill? If I can't pay the bill, what will happen? Will this affect my credit? Now, imagine your supervisor gives you 2 hours to complete a task at work. You think, I'm running out of time. If I don't finish the task on time, I could lose my job. I'll look like I don't have the skill to complete the task if I ask for help. Where does stress come from? Any big change in life can cause stress, such as decreased work hours, marriage problems, death of a family member or friend, childbirth. How long does stress last? Stress can either be short or long-term. Short-term stress is called acute stress. It stops when the problem is over. Imagine you argue with a close friend. Your heart rate rises. Your muscles tense to prepare for conflict. When the argument ends, your body returns to normal. Long-term stress is called chronic stress. It occurs over a long period of time, days, weeks, months, or longer. Learning to handle this chronic stress is important for your health. Even happy events like the birth of a baby can cause stress. New parents must learn to cope with the following changes. Constant care of a newborn, less time to do other things, added costs of baby items. It's important to seek help if you feel overwhelmed. Chronic stress can hurt your health. It can also hurt your relationships with others. How does stress affect my health? Too much stress over a long time can cause anxiety, constant worry, insomnia, unable to sleep, muscle tension and/or pain, depression, feeling sad for more than a couple of weeks, high blood pressure. Stress that is not reduced may also lead to stroke, heart disease, diabetes, how often you get sick, and your ability to recover. Knowing your body. Stress is a part of life. It is important to know the signs of stress and healthy ways to cope with it. Avoid behaviors that can be harmful, such as overeating, smoking, drinking alcohol, taking drugs. These can hurt your health and lead to even more problems. Some healthy ways to relieve stress. First, admit that you're feeling Find a hobby or activity you enjoy. Seek professional help if needed. Mental health counselors can be helpful. The following resources may be able to help. National Alliance on Mental Illness. SAMHSA. This organization can get you a list of doctors, counselors, and mental health centers in your community. Everyone experiences stress. Each person may respond differently. Do not compare the way you handle stress to others. Listen to your body. Learn healthy ways to cope. If you need it, ask for help to manage the stress in your life and stay healthy.
Yes, in this small video, we saw what is stress. Now, in our mind, all of you must have created some kind of picture what is stress. Okay, now I will give one paper to each table. You are requested to draw the picture of stress. Also, the first word that comes to your mind when you are hearing the word stress. Okay, I request then we will have a small discussion to each participant. I am giving one paper. Your job is to draw the picture of stress first. Second is you will write a word that comes to your mind when you heard the word stress. Now I hope some are little stressed what to draw. The word is very simple, you can write the word that comes to your mind first when you are hearing the word stress, but how to figure out stress? Okay, I don't want to make you stressful. Okay, any figure, any size, any shape, any thing, whatever thing is coming to your mind first, you are requested to draw it, then we will have a small discussion. According to you, what is stress? According to the video, stress is something and the impact of stress is also shown by me. But according to you, what is stress? Okay, I am giving you 1 minute time to draw the picture of stress plus write the first word that comes to your mind when you heard the word stress. Yes. Picture means any diagram that symbolizes stress. Dear participants, after that you need to justify what you have done. No need to make it very artistic. Anything? Okay, very nice. Ma'am, unhappy due to stress. Means the first word that comes to her mind is unhappy. Okay, according to ma'am, this is unhappy due to stress. Then second picture ma'am has drawn, feel angry due to stress. Ma'am is getting angry due to stress. Okay ma'am, can I? Ma'am has also made a smiley. She has written feeling very irritated due to stress mood swing. Many times that happens our mood swings because of stress and man gets irritated. Angry, irritation, unhappiness, those are the factors of stress. Sir has written bad timing, unhappy, man has written irritation. Irritation due to stress. Then Sir has written health issues related. Then job related, unhappiness, job related, health related problems that comes due to stress. Then anybody else who can justify your picture? Now I will not read it out. Yes,
is
ma'am.
that suppose I want to use it, but I am not getting sufficient time when I do that one.
Yes, ma'am.
If I am thinking that okay, now I will do that, but I remember this what I have to do, so I am
Very
avoiding
nice.
that one. That
Very
is
nice. According to ma'am, this is prioritization of our work. Many a times, thank you ma'am, many a times we want to do lot of things. We want to dance with our friends, we want to spend our weekend with our friends, we want to go to some place, but due to insufficient time, we don't make it fruitful. That's why that is also need of the hour. According to man, it is short temper, health issues, angry, money oriented and family problems. Who is not having any problem? Everyone is having problem. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, very nicely ma'am has written. Oh, Sar's brain has got messed. Okay, this is a very nice picture of stress. Stress means you are not able to conclude something. You are getting, you want to do something, but you are not able to do it. That is stress. I want to go to my friend's house, but due to some constraint, I am not making it fruitful. That is stress. If at the same moment, if I will able to do it, then stress will not come. Then my mind has jumbled up. My mind has jumbled up. There is no space for my own thinking. The whole circle is full. Whole circle is full with anxiety, stress, angry, irritation. Yes. Then darkness. Sarah has written darkness. Everywhere that is dark. We cannot see anything. Then fear, tension, stress, all these things are outcomes of stress. Our mind is full with angry, anxiety. That's why we are not able to make it fulfilled. The wish or the interest that we are having, we are not able to make it. Anybody else? Sir, can you please explain your diagram?
We have three sectors: job sectors and family and our health issues.
Yes, sir.
So each and every sector we have to share and care, but not much time to give each sector and fulfilling of each sector.
We are not able to justify our job. We are not. Are you thinking that you are justifying your job? We are trying our level best. We are trying our level best. Sometimes we are able to do, sometimes we are not able to do, due to many factors. Suppose there is a death of my near family members and the school is having examination. School has given notice, you cannot take leave. You have to come to school. Family member has died. Then we have to attend the ritual. Or suppose there is a marriage function of my near family member. I am not able to go. Then stress will come. Then how can we avoid that stress? We have to give, in that case we need to prioritize. Whether to attend the marriage function of my relative is important or to attend the school examination is important. Okay, no, obviously many a times what happens, we give priority to our job. We give justice to our job. We neglect our family. And that is the main source of our stress. I want to go to marriage function, I want to attend to the rituals, but I am not able to do, then stress arises. Okay, today we will learn how to avoid it. Anybody else? Ma'am, please explain. Classwork and homework.
When my classwork and homework weight is incompleted, at that time I am taking very stress. As soon as possible, I will complete to my CW and SW. And another is work pressure.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you. Nowadays, work pressure is increasing like anything. Work pressure is increasing like anything. Today annual function, tomorrow sports, next day picnic, next day some other examination. It is piled up. You cannot get a moment of free time also to think what to do. Today this thing is over, next day another program, next day another program. Then in that case the stress will come. But by taking the stress is not the solution. See, stress has two factors. Either you have to let the stress to go away. Okay, I will not take the stress, or find some solution for the stress. Don't keep the stress in your mind. If that stress will remain in your mind for a longer period of time, then that is very hazardous. Ultimately, nobody will suffer. Ultimately, we will suffer. Our family member will suffer. Nobody will suffer. School will hire another teacher. School on the very next day, school will hire another teacher. This is only the loss of our family. That's why we need to think it properly. Then we need to prioritize. Then this is all about the stress from our point of view. Everybody realize that stress is dangerous, and stress is something like anxiety, angry, and tension. And here the key points from this discussion, we learn that life possesses challenges all the time. Every moment we are getting challenged. In the morning also, while coming to this place, suppose you have booked a cab and the cab is not coming. Cab is not getting the path to come to the school. Tension came. Then life possesses challenges all the time. All of us try to meet these challenges in our own way. Suppose cab is not coming, so what to do? Let's cancel the cab, let's hire another cab. Not a problem, but if in the same moment, if we will get tense, if we will get angry, if we will get irritated, then the solution will not come. Okay, we need to find, if the cab is not coming, then what is my alternate way to meet the problem? Then all of us try to meet these challenges in our own way. Then life challenges are not necessarily stressful. The stressful is what? Now that depends on how we view things. Challenges will come, problems will come. But the main thing is how we are responding to the challenges. Whether you are taking it positively or you are taking it negatively. In this regard, dear participants, I want to tell you a story. Small story. One day what happened, one deer was pregnant. The deer was roaming in the jungle. All of a sudden, the fire catches the jungle. The deer was about to give birth to the calf. That's what the deer did. Immediately, he ran towards the pond to save himself. He thought that to go to a pond, my life will be saved. Then when he reached the pond, she saw that lot of crocodiles are there in the pond. What she will do? She got tensed. Then she thought to run away from that place. Then all of a sudden she saw that in the left side, one lion was seen towards the deer. And she thought that to move towards right side. Then there she saw that one hunter was holding the pistol and he was about to shoot her. Then one side fire, one side crocodile, one side lion, one side hunter. Then where she will go? Wherever she will go, then she will die definitely. And she wanted to give birth. Then what she did, she thought, instead of taking tension, let me leave the situation, let me keep the situation, keep the thing on God. God will decide what will happen. Then she stood there. Then all of a sudden, जोर से बिजली धमका. तो क्या हुआ? ना जो हंटर जो था ना मारने वाला था, उसका हाथ फिसल गया. तो वो गोली जाके लगा किसको? लायन को. तो लायन got irritated. And lion immediately jumped above the hunter. तो उन दोनों का फाइटिंग लगा. तो इसी बीच में इतने जोर से बारिश स्टार्ट हुई ना, जंगल का आग भी बुझ गया. And that deer आराम से उसके बच्चे को जन्म दी. तो उसी टाइम some situations happen like we need to leave the situation on God. If at any moment of time we are helpless, we have no other option, what we will do? Let the God to decide. Instead of getting irritated, sometimes we will leave the situation like that automatically. God will apply His or her plan and the situation will be set right. And after few days, if we will think about the situation, we will think that for this silly situation I was getting tension. Tension is a temporary moment of irritation in our mind. Don't keep those irritations in your mind, let it go. Then we need to, the most important thing is how we are responding to it. Then to meet the life challenges successfully, one must learn the ways to manage stress. That is the main objective of this session. We will learn how to manage stress. Then there are both effective and ineffective ways of managing stress. Some ways are very effective, some ways are very ineffective. That's why we need to know the proper way to manage our stress. Gradually we will, in the next session, I am handing over my session to Nilima ma'am. She will take the next session to tell more about the concept of stress. Thank you so much.
Good morning to one and all present here. Good morning everyone. Good morning. That's a loud voice I want to hear from everyone. So everyone is stress free now. Yes. So let's start the next session. So my PPT. So I am Miss Nilima Priyadarshini Panda, not Mrs. Okay, so first stress. Now I am stress free because earlier I thought why they have written Mrs. It's Miss. Okay, well there is no problem in writing Mrs. and Miss, but now I am stress free, so I can conduct the session. So I want to ask a genuine question to each and everyone present here, whether they are from the host participant school or from other school. When you first heard that on second Saturday you are going to attend a seminar from 9 to 5 p.m. what was your first thought? I want actually a genuine and honest answer from each and everyone present here. Genuine and honest answer. Anyone? Yes, ma'am.
Good morning all of you. My first thought was chutti to gayi. That was my first thought. Then I had a lot of pending books in my school and I was planning to complete it on Saturday and Sundays. So for that also I got stressed कि वो भी नहीं हो पाएगा and छुट्टी भी गया, rest भी नहीं हो पाएगा and I have to come here. But now I think this is a good decision that I came here.
So thank you. Anyone else? Anyone else who want to share their views? Anyone?
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, my dear colleagues. I chose this stress management capacity builder program because whenever suddenly someone tells to me anything, just I react to that. Then I do that some decision suddenly that I'm taking that decision. Suppose principal sir that told me why will come in late, that I suddenly okay I will give that resignation. I will go to other school. So I choose this program that I just control to myself first of all. Then I can control stress first. That's why I choose, that is the good program for me, and I just, yes sir, I want to go to this program and I will learn something that for me it is good and for the students it is also.
Thank you, ma'am. The first thought what ma'am told, it's a second Saturday, it's a holiday for all of us, not for all of us, not in every school they are providing holidays. Some schools they are having PTM, some are having extra classes for 12th standard as well as 10th standard as pre-boards are coming in the month of Jan. But the first thought came me of 9 to 5, such a long session, how we are going to manage from 9 to 5. Okay, so but that, what is the parameter of that stress? That is so stressful for us? No. This stress we all can manage. Like me, I will tell about myself. When I got the mail from CBSE about stress management, पहले तो मुझे ही stress हो गया. मुझे stress management पे देना है, पहले मुझे ही stress हो गया, ठीक है? So first मैंने सोचा मैं क्या कर रही हूँ कि मुझे stress free रहना है, मैं वही जाके बताऊंगी स्कूल में कि मैंने ये किया है, तो मैं इस हिसाब से मैं stress free होगी, आप लोग भी यही करना. Now second thought what ma'am has told, one heard ki she is going to attend a session from 9 to 5. Little bit she was stressful. Okay. She heard that some situation is there and how she need to react to that situation. So a little bit she was trying to cope up with that situation earlier by some negative thoughts. After that she understood ki okay, this is a positive session for her and she is going to learn many things and she is going to balance her life and make her life stress-free. So from this we understood that stress is nothing but a situation, and how we are going to react to that situation, that is actually making stress. Sometimes we react vigorously, if this so much of work is there, and how we are going to react to that work. We get panic attacks, sweating and everything. So that is a negative thing. Now positive thing, how you are going to react to that situation by sitting calmly, asking to your friends come colleagues, I will say friend come colleagues, because everyone, as we in our childhood we used to heard ki school is our second home. Now I will also tell now our workplace is also our second home. Okay. So how we can get the things or the views from our colleagues or from our principal ma'am or any other administrative officer, ki how we are going to react to that situation. So here we have talked about two things. One is the good stress, another one is the bad stress. Bad stress matlab ki suppose anything situation is coming and we are reacting in a panicking way. So that is a bad stress. Good stress means first we reacted to that situation, but later on we understood that we should not have to react. Okay. Suppose I talk about myself. When I heard that I need to give this presentation on stress management, I also got panicky stress management and I need to provide. This is beyond my area. My area is not to provide talk on stress management. Then later on from my friend circle, from my family members, I learned, no, we can do it. I can do it. I can manage this session very well. I'm good enough. So first, you need to believe on yourself. So before that, we need to channelize what is positive stress and what is negative stress. So negative stress is called as distress and positive stress is called as eustress. So here I am going to provide you one sheet to everyone. Everyone need to write down what are the stressful things for them in their life. Half part of the page. Another half part of the page we will utilize later on when we will finish the session, how to manage that one. So you will be having a two sides. The grass is always greener on the other side. So one side you will write down what are the eustress or distress or any type of stress, and the second side everyone is going to write down how they are going to manage the stress. So I am providing you the chart. Write down what are the stress you are, anything stress, and second part we will write down later. Fold the chart. Good student. First fold on that stress in the second part. Any type of stress, whatever you feel like, what is the stress thing for you? Might be the stress which I am facing you, that is not a stress for everyone. What others are facing, that is not a stress thing for me. So it depends upon the person and their lifestyle, what are the stress they are actually facing. Yes sir, with the help of a sketch pen, sir, it will be visible. So one by one, I want everyone to speak. First we will start from the positive one. Okay. So one heading only. What are the positive stress according to them, or what are the stress that they are facing? But actually it is not stress. How we are reacting to that situation, that is actually making us more stressful. Actually that is not actually a stressful thing, but how we are reacting to that situation, how we are handling at that point of time, actually that is making more stressful. Like this time, Indigo has cancelled many flights. Okay, some enjoyed that one, some they are actually very much in which stress? Which stress that one? Stress, because they thought they are having money issues and all. Their many functions have delayed. Some though they have attended the online reception also. We have seen that videos and all. And some what they have done? Okay, we are stuck in the airport. Let's enjoy where we are. If you are in the Chennai, 2 days let's enjoy Chennai. Okay, so that they have converted that stress into which stress? Stress, yes, they have converted into the positive stress. Like suppose, as ma'am told, she has written about traveling. Some of them think traveling is a which stress for them? Stress for them. Some think traveling is not stress, that is distress. Like in the morning when I was coming to a cab, I have a vomiting tendency inside the car. So at that point of time, that stress was which stress for me? Distress. But when I came here and I took some coffee and water, now I am relaxed. So now this one is which stress for me? Stress for me. So one thing, suppose as I was about to tell this thing, ma'am has called me, what you are going to wear for your session. That is a very much big stress for, I think nowadays I will not tell ladies, for gents also. I think they also stand in front of mirror for half an hour to decorate themselves. I shall decorate also, because nowadays they are also applying many moisturizers and cream. Okay, actually they need, I think they are taking more time than ladies. Yes. So we need to accept this thing. So, when ma'am asked me what you are going to wear, I told for me, I will not wear sari because I will not be able to tell or perform. Because my whole concentration will be on my sari, how to handle it. So, I will wear dress only. So, that was the situation for me. How I have reacted to that situation, that is actually going to make you stress free. अगर मैं सोचती नहीं to look good and to look best, as I am the resource person, I need to fill like a stands, I need to stand in front of everyone, I need to wear a sari, then वो मैं ज़्यादा stress हो जाती है उसमें. ठीक है, पहले तो आधा घंटा पहले उठना पड़ता. Then I need to tell my mom also to help me to wear, how to wear it. फिर यहाँ आने के बाद वो बोलते वक्त और स्ट्रेस हो जाता. So let's forget about that. I will go with my dress because I am more comfortable in that. So I want everyone to tell one first positive stress, distress for them, and one stress for them. Or which stress? Stress is positive, distress is negative. So first one is your distress. Anyone? What situation is actually negative for you or which is making you stressful? I want one word.
I was on doing household work. When we performed household work and the time was not enough to complete all the household work. So the time management and we felt distress
our mind will awkward that we can't properly getting all the household work. So time is also.
Actually, if I tell in the morning time to do some household work is actually which type of stress? Distress. Because actually we need some time to make the breakfast or the lunch and to get our kids ready and to फिर तो अगर if it is Thursday, then it is tremendous work for the ladies.
It's only a stress for a working lady.
It's
How many months we make it useless? So getting up early in the morning, do all these things. How can you convert to useless?
So that will be discussed.
Yes.
First, I am categorizing what one is the positive stress and what one is the negative stress. Then after we discuss how to tackle all these, how to tackle it. And sir, as you told ki household work and all, it is a negative stress for ma'am. I think if James will help them, it can be converted into a positive one.
Yes, how extent.
Yes.
But every day it is not possible. Some household work is convenient for our ladies, and we know that ladies are more responsible for their house. So
कभी-कभी क्या होता है ना, हम लोग सोचते हैं ना कि ये तो शायद उन लोगों से ना हो पाएगा, मुझे ही सारा करना पड़ेगा। ऐसे कुछ वर्क होते हैं जो हम सोचते हैं ये मुझसे ना हो पाएगा, मेरे से ही होगा, तो ये सब मुझे ही करना है। अगर वो आपने प्रायोरिटाइज कर लिया कि वो वाले काम मुझे करने हैं, तो जो काम आप सोचते हैं कि वो कर सकते हैं, वो उनको दे।
Because of that time we just agree that this one is my work, not the other people's.
नहीं, we need to divide our work carefully. जैसे होता है ना कि suppose वो कर सकते हैं वो काम, लेकिन शायद वो इतने अच्छे से या प्रोडक्टिव वे में ना हो, जो वो मैं कर सकती हूँ शायद अच्छे से। हो सकता है ऐसे बहुत से काम हैं जो वो लोग ज़्यादा अच्छे से करें, जिसमें हम अच्छे ना हों। We need to prioritize our work so that we can divide our work and work can be finished as early as possible. Any other answer? Yes, ma'am.
First of all, my youth phase is whenever I am getting ready for something, that time I am thinking that am I looking nice? Is it okay? My attire and everything is okay. It suits for the program. After that, my distress for whom I am getting ready, for myself or for others. That is a big question arising in my mind. So that time I am very getting.
So can I convert this word to self-reliance?
Yeah, of course.
I'm putting a question mark here. Later on answer. Then any other negative stress for anyone? Negative stress?
coming 1 minute late to the school.
Coming 1 minute late to the school is actually a big stress for everyone.
If I'm getting late for 1 to 2 minutes, it will be late. Then you get school late for that. This is a big stress for me. And you stress as this is the distress for me. Shall I tell the you stress or? So you stress is eating food and taking a very peaceful nap at home. Just sleeping is very important for me. That's why you stress.
So 1 minute late. Nowadays we have all a punching system also and register also. If you are late, register चला जाएगा फिर वहाँ ट्रेडमार्क लग जाएगा, फिर 3 लेट मार्क मतलब 1 सेल गया, वैसे चुने सेल मिलते हैं हम लोग को, ठीक है? So that is also actually which type of stress? Negative stress, but sometimes क्या होता है ना, हम लोग लेट पहुँच जाते हैं फिर, then we have some excuse also, which is actually sometimes it is genuine also. तो वो बोलने के बाद हमारे authorities होते हैं वो समझ जाते हैं. और ये क्या होता है ना, suppose कोई होते हैं कि वो हमेशा जल्दी आते हैं, but एक दिन लेट हो गए, तो वो considerable है, because वो हमेशा आज तक क्या हो गए, जल्दी आए, एक दिन लेट हो गए मतलब suppose उसको कुछ काम ही आ गया होगा, ऐसे वो झूठ नहीं बोल रहा है. So that stress can be converted into a positive one. Any other type of distress? Any other type of negative stress? Anyone else?
You want the mic? Beyond the comfort zone.
Yes, beyond beyond your comfort zone. That is also one type of stress. Any other?
Ma'am, overthinking.
Overthinking, yes ma'am, very good. Which all the teachers they are actually very prone to this.
Ma'am, alone to रहते alone.
Yes, yes ma'am. Being alone is actually sometimes we feel it is a negative stress for us, but if we channelize that being aloofness into a good way, that can be converted into a positive thing also. We need to channelize that thing. Then, any other distress?
I have only one stress in my life.
Yes.
That also I have developed recently.
Yes.
Loo. How will be the loo to the place where I am visiting?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
It's a big stress for me. That is the only
stress.
stress.
Clean or not? Whether it will be neat and clean. और ये ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस कब होता है? ट्रेन में तो और ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस हो जाता है. एयरपोर्ट्स में इतना नहीं होता, ट्रेन में ज़्यादा हो जाता है हम लोग को. Yes, ma'am. That is a very good stress. Actually, everyone suffer from that. पहले हम कभी भी जाते हैं ना कोई भी स्कूल वगैरह में या कहीं पर देखते वॉशरूम अच्छा है कि नहीं. वो पहले देख लेते हैं हम. So that is also one type of stress. Distress. अच्छा, can I say injuries also is one type of stress? It is a negative stress for us, and if some person is hospitalization, that is also one type of stress. Negative or positive?
Madam, I am going to talk about distress. When one class is assigned after our regular classes,
yes.
If the arrangement is given by principal.
Being a teacher, I was actually expecting this question. मेरे already 5 पीरियड हैं, उसके साथ फिर और 2 पीरियड एक्स्ट्रा. At that time is actually a distress for everyone. Actually that is a distress for everyone. Because वो situation 5 क्लास इतना बक-बक करके आए हैं. Then again you need to speak again for 2 classes. और अगर वो हमारा क्लास में नहीं है, मतलब जैसे मैं जिस क्लास को पढ़ाती हूँ उसको छोड़ के मुझे और कोई क्लास मिले, फिर तो और भी प्रॉब्लम है. क्योंकि if I am entering into my class, I can suppose if I got an arrangement period and if I don't want to teach, already I have taken 2 classes in the morning, again they are giving me arrangement, तो मैं उनको बोल सकती हूँ students as I have taken already 2 classes earlier in the morning, so now again I got the arrangement, so you can do your own work, complete your notes, if any doubt you can ask me, क्योंकि वो तो मेरा ही क्लास है. If I am getting entering into other classes where they don't know me, I don't know them, then it is actually getting converted into which stress? Negative stress. So at that time, how can we convert it into positive stress? That depend on us. Okay. By sometimes we can engage them by playing some word game and all. ठीक है? या फिर ऐसा होता है ना कि suppose I am from biology background. तो मैं बोलती हूँ कि ठीक है आज हम कुछ पढ़ेंगे नहीं. जब बोल देते हैं ना कि हम नहीं पढ़ेंगे, ज़्यादा खुश हो जाते हैं कि now we are not going to read anything. So close your textbook copy, सब बंद कर दो. They have closed everything. Only they are sitting just like that. तो सबसे पहले I will tell कि ठीक है तुम लोग कुछ पढ़ नहीं रहे हो, तो let me tell you one thing. Okay. So I can tell them. And through some disease and all, generally I do that, disease and all, I also teach and they will also learn.
Madam, to convert it into useless, we just play the smart board.
Yes sir, some videos and all we can play, where they are actually very happy to see the videos and all. और कभी कभी बोलते हैं कि suppose if you are happy and you want to see some cricket in smart board, they can also see the matches and all. From that matches and all, we can ask you, देखो उनके पैर में भी cramps हुआ है, so which acid is getting formed there? But why they are having that cramps and all? So you have taught also, they are also happy. So that one we have converted it from distress to which stress? Eustress. Now I'll ask some eustress. Positive stress. What are the positive stress for everyone?
Good sleep.
Good sleep, okay. Then reading books. Reading books. So that is also good sleep, that is a positive stress for us. मुझे सोना है, अच्छे से सोना है, अच्छे से सोना है, अच्छे से ही सोना है, ठीक है? तो फिर I need to convert my negative stress into positive stress. As ma'am has shown that video, the birds are chirping, some nature sound. देखना रात को whenever we don't feel like sleepy, वो है when you type in YouTube some of the sounds and all, they will provide you, so you will feel sleepy. So that means that is a positive stress for everyone. Now any other?
Sometimes
Music, yes. Meditation, yes sir, yes.
Sometimes in our dream also, my name is Vijay. I'm just thinking about tomorrow what I'm going to do. Is it considered useless or stress?
No, that is coming under positive stress, because you are thinking about your work life na, and how to tackle that situation, and that is for a short period of time. So sometimes what happens na, we ask the question to ourselves, we only give the answer to ourselves. अरे मुझे इतना सा काम है, I'm having lot of work, how will I do that, this, that. Then again after 5 minutes, first I'll go there, I'll finish that work within half an hour. फिर उसके बाद मैं 2-4 क्लास ले लूँगी, फिर उसके जो बाकी आधा घंटा है उसमें जाके ये वाला काम कर दूँगी. Sometimes we answer to our own questions only. So that means we have converted our distress into eustress. Any other eustress? हाँ वही मैंने बोला ना कि वो जो aloofness and alone है, that if someone is thinking कि that is a distress for them, we can convert that distress into eustress. फिर वो stress भी नहीं रहेगा ना, मतलब we need to channelize कि what we will do when if we are alone, what we all can do. As it has been rightly said, अकेले रहना ऐसा कुछ मतलब it's not a difficult thing. How need to stay and how you need to be happy. We need to channelize them. Then we will all be stress free only. And everyone is having stress, whether we are alone or whether we are with everyone. सबके अपने अपने parameters होते हैं, and everyone has their own क्या बोलते हैं boundaries. Everyone has their own problem. हर एक life में उस life का अपने अपने problems होते हैं. But we need to tackle that situation.
Traveling long drive.
Yes. हाँ, वो जो हम travel कर रहे होते हैं, वो जो डेस्टिनेशन पे पहुंच के हमें बहुत खुशी होती है, बट वो जो जर्नी होता है ना 3-4 घंटे का, दैट इज एक्चुअली स्ट्रेसफुल. बट वो बोलते हैं ना कि ऑलवेज एंजॉय योर जर्नी, फॉरगेट अबाउट द डेस्टिनेशन, एंजॉय योर जर्नी. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है वी डोंट रीच टू आवर डेस्टिनेशन बट वी एंजॉय आवर जर्नी, सो दैट इज ऑल्सो मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट. So sometimes what happened, suppose I'm not getting a job, but I got a job. So that is a positive stress. Because I was not getting a job, I got a job. फिर वो job sector में जाने के बाद I will face lot many problems. That too gradually when we'll be having that experience, we all are going to handle that situation. Now we all are pro members, I can say, in all these things. Now we have understood how to convert our distress into eustress and how to handle our job. So I can say eustress may getting a new job is also one type of what? Eustress. Then I have read also starting a new life. Suppose marriage. So that is also one type of what? Eustress. Because we are getting married. So that happiness, so everyone feels that for 3-4 days. Then after how we are going to live with someone, okay, how we are going to manage everything together, that will also come in with stress. That is also one type of eustress only. If you are going to channelize that thing in a better way. So ये हो गया eustress and eustress. Now as teachers are more prone to this type of stresses. Suppose when we are reacting to any type of situation, पहला nowadays we are in that area, first negative thing only comes to our mind. ऐसा आ गया काम, how we are going to do? We are not going to think the remedies. First we think ki what are the things we all are getting from that work what has been assigned for us. So teachers are more prone to all these stress. So because we are the one who are going to actually connecting the society to the school and school to the society. Actually we are making the students to cope up with what? To the external environment in many or the other ways. So teachers के लिए I want to ask you what are actually the stressful thing for teachers. As ma'am told, sir told arrangement, getting late and everything. तो teachers के लिए एक word अभी use किया जा रहा है because we are the connectors between the society and to home, to the environment. So burnout, what word actually everyone is using nowadays? Burnout situation. Burnout situation में the first thing a teacher is facing, lack of accomplishment. If someone is telling कि we all are not good enough, suddenly we accept that we all are not good enough. So that time we need to motivate us. No, I am good enough to understand this, good enough to tackle all these problems. So that is a lack of accomplishment, or we can say, as ma'am told, self-reliance. Self-reliance is distress. We can convert that distress into eustress. Believe on yourself. You are the best, and you are going to do the best. You are actually, we all are the best according to our own way. If I am not able to do this work properly, that doesn't mean that I am not having other qualities. I might be having other qualities which others are not having. So we need to have that self-reliance, self-esteem, कि I am the best, I can do everything, I don't have any issues on myself. I am self-sufficient, I can do everything. Yes, we are converting all the distress into eustress by actually motivating us, or by actually having a faith on us that I am enough and I can handle all these situations. Actually, the motto of this session is how we can convert the negative stress into which stress? Positive stress. सब classroom हो गया. First of all, I told you कि whenever when entering, students are shouting. That time we complain ना कि मैं तो क्लास में गई कि everyone was shouting, no one was listening to me. So शायद मुझ में कोई प्रॉब्लम है, मेरी बातें नहीं सुन रहे थे. उसकी बातें कैसे सुन लेते हैं, मेरी बातें कैसे नहीं सुन रहे थे. We need to believe on ourselves कि नहीं, हमें भी कुछ ऐसा करना चाहिए, हम भी वो क्लास हैंडल कर सकते हैं, हमारे में कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. मे बी वो टाइमिंग और वो सिचुएशन खराब था या वो डे खराब था. तो we can start our new day in the next day. We'll come with our more enthusiastic, with more positive thoughts, and we can start our own thing. Then one more, what is there? Depersonalization. Sometimes what happened, we are also facing this thing. If we are interested, we'll stop talking to others. We'll stop talking to others. We'll remain in our own way. We will not talk to others. And जो भी कोई बात करना है, I don't want to talk. Or we will be in a clamoring way, angry. Every time we will be angry. So we need to chalk out that problem. मतलब first of all, वो बोलते हैं ना, एक word है, हमें सारे रिश्ते ancestor में मिले, लेकिन दोस्ती वाला रिश्ता हम खुद चुनते हैं. वो हमें कोई ancestor property नहीं है हमारा. So we need to find out that type of colleague and friends who can help us to cope up with the stress in school life. If I am school, ऐसा होता है ना, स्कूल में मेरा एक बेस्ट फ्रेंड है. I'll tell each and everything to that person only. They can help me coming out from my stress. So first of all, that depersonalization word you need to remove from your part of life. Whenever you are stressed, don't deteriorate yourself. Don't detach from the society. Don't detach yourself from your colleagues. Sometimes colleagues are going to help you in each and every way. They are going to help you, and you need to find out मतलब कौन से colleague के साथ तुम्हें मिलने से तुम्हें अच्छा लगता है, and they can help you in each and every way. So किसके साथ बात करने से हमें humiliate feel नहीं होता. We need to understand that thing. So that burnout situation from the teacher's life, when they are actually demotivated, depersonalization, lack of self-reliance, self-esteem, that burnout situation we need to eliminate from our life. Then only we can go from this stress. Now everyone has their sheet, they have written what are the stress they are going to face. Next part of the slide we are going to write down how to manage the stress. So thank you everyone. Now a 15 minutes break is there. After that we'll start the news. Thank you. Distress, acute stress and chronic stress. Eustress and distress we have already discussed. Acute and chronic is a part of another session. At that time we will discuss that acute and chronic stress. These are the examples of some eustress and distress which now everyone is facing, and we have all discussed also some of the things related to that. What are the health effects of acute stress and your distress? That one also we are going to discuss in acute and chronic stress more about that. And as ma'am was discussing about fight and flight, that one also we'll discuss in other session. Fight and flight, as we know, one of our gland is there, that is the emergency gland, secrete the emergency hormone, that is adrenaline. That is otherwise called as 3F gland. In that fight and flight mechanism is there. We'll discuss. I'll not skip anything. Then fatigue, anxiety, poor concentration, ma'am has already discussed. Whenever we think about stress, first is anxiety, lack of concentration, and fatigue, restlessness, we feel tired every time. Impact, mental health, physical well-being, relationship, performance. I was telling about relationship, which I told, burnout situation for a teacher. That is depersonalization. Detached from your colleagues, from your friends, from your family, always remaining alone, being in that aloof area and all. So that is relationship. Physical well-being, which we all are. सबसे पहला physical well-being, which all are, everyone is facing. Headache. So now, what are the myths and misconception about stress? Sometimes we feel that this one is a stress for me, but actually it is not stress. We are actually, how I told you earlier, how we are reacting to that situation, that is actually making our life very stressful. So that myth and fact, now we are going to discuss. Already told you, stress is everywhere, or not? Yes. Everyone is facing stress. So stress is everywhere. In their life, everyone is having some or little amount of stress. Someone is having more, someone is having less. And stress is actually what? How we are reacting to that stimuli, that is actually stress. If we will react in a bad way, then it is going to be a bad stress for us. If we are going to react in a good way, bad stress can be converted into a good stress. First, stress is always bad. Now, I want anyone to tell if stress is always bad. No. Now tell me one of the situation where you think that stress is not bad for us. The situation where the stress is actually not bad, we are only thinking it is bad.
One of the teachers said, it is especially when we get an arrangement after taking your class. But actually there is a charm if we go to that class mingle up with children, there is a lot to learn from them also. So I feel this is not a harmful stress.
Yes. Sir told getting the arrangements, we feel that it is a bad stress. Sometimes it is. But we need to convert that distress into which stress? Eustress. By channelizing ourselves, as ma'am told, how we need to engage the students. Sir only gave the answer also by showing videos. So sometime I told you, we question ourselves and we only answer to ourselves. Thank you, sir, for actually what example I gave you lively, you told that thing also. Second, so all the stress are not harmful to us. Suppose, as I told you, I got as annual functions is approaching in each and every school. So some work has been assigned to me. So I told some work has been assigned to me also. So earlier I thought, my PPT is there, stress management, and then again I am getting this annual functions in charges and all that. How I am going to do that? पहले तो मुझे उस टाइम पे क्या करना चाहिए? Prioritize the thing which I need to do first, and the second thing I need to prioritize it. So I got some span of time to prepare this PPT. So during the school hours, so we can't prepare anything beyond the school thing. We can't do anything. So during the school time, I devoted all my time to school. After that school, it's me time. Okay. So after that school, after doing all my stuff, I can concentrate on my seminar, which I am going to present. So is all the stress bad for you? No. If I got a chance, if my principal have that faith on me, कि Nilima can do this work and she has assigned that work to me, so that I should not take it in a bad way. If CBSE has given me this chance to present the session here, that means this is also not a bad stress for me. I need to convert this stress into good stress. So how I can convert this? The truth that not all the stress are harmful. Getting a new job, it is harmful for us? No. हम उस जॉब में जाएंगे, वहाँ काम करेंगे, तभी हमें उसके प्रॉब्लम्स के बारे में पता चलेगा कि वहाँ क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स आता है. हो सकता है हम उस जॉब से इतना कुछ सीख जाएं, फिर लाइफ में और आगे भी बढ़ जाएं उसी जॉब. और हमेशा होता है ना, पहला जॉब हम कभी नहीं भूलते कि उसने मुझे ये सब चीज़ सिखाया था कि कैसे लाइफ में आगे बढ़ना है. सो नेक्स्ट, इट मोटिवेट्स एंड इम्प्रूव्स आवर performance. Suppose this time I have learned how to give the presentation on stress. So I have learned many things along with you. Actually, I am also learning. Till the end of my life, I will be learning only. So I have learned how to present the seminar. Next time I will be more good. I need to prepare little bit less. I can incorporate many things. As live example which I got from everyone, I can include that example in my next session or not? Yes. That I can use it. बोलते हैं जब पहला क्लास होता है उसमें बहुत डर लगता है. You think after 5 or 10 years, now your class performance inside the classroom, it has been increased or decreased? Increased. Now तो अभी हम लोग को बुक खोलने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. Though we need to read every day, but अभी हमें बुक खोलने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. सब छपा हुआ है यहाँ पर.
It might be stress.
हाँ, फर्स्ट वो पहला क्लास होता है ना. पहला हमेशा पहला होता है. पहला क्लास हमेशा यादगार होता है. मैं उस बच्चों के साथ गई, मैंने वहाँ क्या पढ़ाया. फिर जब धीरे-धीरे हम ग्रेजुअली when you gain that experience, confidence, तब मुझे तो NCERT का पेज नंबर लाइन तक याद हो गया. फिर दिमाग में फटाफट से वो क्वेश्चन आ जाता है. पता है स्टूडेंट 2016 में सेट नंबर 2 पे ये क्वेश्चन आया था. ये भी हमें याद रह जाता है इतनी बार एग्जाम पेपर चेक करने के बाद. So that means we need to motivate us, and this increases what? Performance. अब मुझे I want to ask you one question. After this session, मुझे तो लगता है everyone will present also one session. Yeah. Everyone is much confident enough to present one session on stress. At least कुछ नहीं तो 1-2 घंटे का तो सब बोल पाएंगे. कुछ नहीं तो पॉजिटिव स्ट्रेस, नेगेटिव स्ट्रेस, व्हाट आर द मिथ एंड मिसकंसेप्शन, अब ये तो बोल ही देंगे. और स्ट्रेस से कैसे बाहर निकलना है वो तो मुझसे ज़्यादा मुझे लगता है आप लोग बता देंगे सारा आंसर, क्योंकि आप लोग को ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस जिसको होता है वो उससे निकलने का रास्ता भी ढूंढ लेता है. तो एवरीवन प्रेजेंट एटलीस्ट 1 or 2 hour सेशन, तो आई कैन गारंटी ऑन दैट. नेक्स्ट सर. Sometimes we feel na कि I told you lack of personal accomplishment. We feel कि I cannot do this work, so I'm little bit inferior one. I'm not good enough to do that work. So only weak people get stressed. No, Ambani is not getting stressed. उसको ज़्यादा stress है हमसे. Because every time we need to earn what? Money. At least हमारा वो टेंशन नहीं है. देखिए हम स्कूल में आते हैं, अपना टाइम देते हैं, एटलीस्ट पता होता है कि 1-2 तारीख को मिल जाएगा और जितना हमें असाइन हुआ था उतना ही मिल जाएगा. उसमें ना अप होता है ना डाउन. कोविड के टाइम में थोड़ा हुआ था, दैट वी कैन मैनेज. सो बट हाँ, सो वीक पीपल आर गेटिंग स्ट्रेस. नो, एवरीवन, इवन द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट पीपल आर देयर आल्सो getting stress. Usain Bolt, fastest runner, he is not getting stress. Yes, before running, sports person are actually more stressful. Because of stress only, they are taking what? Drugs which can increase their athletic performance. Then उसके बाद doping test होते हैं, then they are being eliminated. So they are the most stronger one, but they are also getting stress. So it is a myth कि only weak people they are actually stressful. Strong people can also get stress. So stress affects everyone, but strong and successful people also experience stress. It's their fun how they need to got out from that stress, and weak people they have their own areas or they have their own things, remedies to get out from that their own stress. We have even strong people get stress. Weak people also get stress. हम बोलते हैं the teacher, those who are teaching in higher classes, they are more stressful. मुझे तो लगता है प्राइमरी वाले ज़्यादा stressful रहते हैं. Because to handle those small kids, तुम बोलोगे इधर आओ तो वहाँ चले जाएंगे, सब उल्टा ही करते हैं वो. At least बड़े बच्चों को मारना तो sorry, it's not allowed also. At least suppose of the if you are not going to read well, your board marks are going to decrease. You will not get admitted into any of the good colleges. You are not going to get your NEET preparation, engineering, IIT, everything. छोटे बच्चों को क्या समझाओगे? Nothing. They वो क्या जानते हैं? They don't know anything. मुझे तो लगता है प्राइमरी वालों का टेंशन ज़्यादा होता है हमसे. Because they nurture that thing. We are getting the elder one. इनके पास बहुत दिमाग है. क्योंकि I have seen when we don't know the mobile things, how to copy paste from mobile, YouTube से download कैसे करना है. 11th 12th class के student, मैम हमें दीजिए हम कर लेते हैं. They know more than us when it comes to mobile things, laptop things. One we have heard, I think ma'am has also heard. It is a computer science example only. One of the parents they came in the PTN and told, मैम मेरे बच्चे का कंप्यूटर में कम कैसे आया है. वो तो कंप्यूटर में बहुत कुछ जानता है, उसको ये बोलो ये कर देता है, वो बोलो ये कर देता है. देन हमारे एक सर थे, उन्होंने आंसर दिया था, वो जो कॉपी पेस्ट पीपीटी बनाना वो कंप्यूटर में नहीं है. अगर आपका बच्चा एक ब्लू स्क्रीन लेके बैठा है, उसमें व्हाइट कलर का कुछ टाइप हो रहा है, देन वो पढ़ रहा है. अगर वो ब्लू स्क्रीन नहीं है एंड दे आर इफ डूइंग एनीथिंग एल्स अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट ब्लू स्क्रीन, मतलब वो पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहा है, वो कंप्यूटर से बियॉन्ड पढ़ाई है. तो कंप्यूटर में वो पाइथन नहीं पढ़ रहा है, कुछ और पढ़ रहा है. तो ब्लू स्क्रीन हो तभी वो प्रोग्रामिंग पढ़ रहा है. सो दे नो मोर देन अस. नेक्स्ट. There is a myth, stress cannot be controlled, but stress can be controlled. How stress can be managed? Healthy coping strategies reduce stress. We have a myth कि we are having stress and it cannot be controlled. Sir, as ma'am told, I'm 1 minute late. ठीक है? No, it's ma'am. We are also facing the same thing. हमारा पंचिंग है, फिर वो शायद रजिस्टर में झूठ लिख भी दे, वो मशीन कैसे झूठ बोलेगी? ठीक So 1 minute late. I told you that is we need to that cannot be controlled. That can be controlled. We can tell कि मैम आज तो मैंने भी ये किया हुआ है so कि मैम you have seen कि still now I was not late even a single day. Today only I got late because I was stuck in some petrol pump or in that area where the construction work was going on. So that can be controlled. Even the authority, I think they are going to understand. Because till now you have given your best now to the students, to the school. So they are going to understand कि चलो ठीक है एक दिन हुआ उसका late हो गया. तो stress can be controlled. As sir told classroom and all, ma'am told household work and all. So that can be also controlled if others are going to help, or we can keep someone for our help, or little bit dividing our work among ourselves. So that stress can be handled. So that negative stress can be converted into positive stress. So there are ways to convert our negative stress into positive stress. So suppose exams are going to appear and we have to check lot many papers. As everyone knows, तो सबसे बड़ा काम होता है checking the papers and all. So how we are going to manage how to check all the papers within time? We need to take out some time to check our papers. Whenever we are getting free time in the school, we can check some papers, and many times we are taking the papers along with us only. और सबसे बड़ा होता है पेपर चेकिंग करने से पहले everyone is doing that. We prepare a marking scheme. उसमें सारा आंसर हम लोग लिख देते हैं. तो वो according to that answer, for this answer students have written half mark, this answer 1 mark. That actually reduces our workload by checking the papers and all. फिर हम देखते हैं कि और अगर it should not be told, if you are checking the a student who is below average, तो फटाफट हो जाता है, जल्दी हो जाता है. फिर अच्छे बच्चों का भी बहुत जल्दी हो जाता है क्योंकि वो सारा लिख देते हैं. प्रॉब्लम होता है वो मिडिल वालों का, क्योंकि वो आधा लिखते हैं फिर आधा छोड़ देते हैं, उसमें थोड़ा ज़्यादा कॉन्सेंट्रेट. और हमने ये किया हुआ है ना बहुत टाइम, जब हम पेपर चेक करते हैं पहले सोचते हैं पहले वो अच्छे बच्चे का निकाल दे, उसका सब देख लेते हैं पहले. फिर बोलते हैं अरे देखो वो जो हमारे अकॉर्डिंगली शायद वो अभी अच्छा नहीं है, क्या पता बाद में अच्छा कर ले, क्योंकि we always the back benchers are the most successful one. We have heard many stories. तो उनका निकाल दो, शायद उन्होंने कम लिखा होगा, जल्दी जल्दी चेक हो जाएगा. फिर हम बोलते हैं अरे मेरे 50 पेपर थे 10 हो गए, स्ट्रेस फ्री, अरे और 40 से हो जाएगा मेरा. So that is we need to manage our stress. So avoiding problems remove stress. No, it will create more and more problems. Okay. So there is a procrastination key. I have been assigned some work. I will do this work later on. वो कल कभी आता ही नहीं है. फिर जब वो कल आएगा, then you will be have pile of work to do, and that time you will be stressed कि how to now जो पहले दिन में काम खत्म हो सकता था, मैंने उसको कहाँ रख दिया? लास्ट डे में. अब लास्ट डे में सारा पढ़ो बैठ के. So we need to things की avoiding problems. No, whatever problems are coming, we need to face that problem. Okay? Suppose this problem has been arise to me. I need to give a presentation on stress management. So I need to see ki what are the things we need to chalk out. Ki what are the things I need to present. How I will present. How ma'am is going to present. We need to channelize them. अगर मैं बोल देती छोड़ दो लास्ट दिन में देखा जाएगा जो होगा, मैं कल क्या सारा कंप्लीट कर पाती? सारा पीपीटी, सारा एक्टिविटीज, हाउ आई नीड टू प्रेजेंट माई सेल्फ, नथिंग. Before suppose coming to this session, I think most of you have thought of what they are going to wear today. Anyone can tell. What is the stressful thing for them?
मैं अगर कुछ करने जाती हूँ कोई अगर मुझे टोक देता तो मुझे स्ट्रेस होता है. मैं मेरे हिसाब से करना चाहती हूँ. अगर कोई बोलेगा मुझे ये पसंद नहीं तो ऐसे कर, मुझे बहुत स्ट्रेस होता है.
Yes. So stress is not common for everyone. मैम ने बोला उनको कोई टोक देता है तो उनको प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है कि मैं तो वो करने जा रही थी उन्होंने मुझे टोका क्यों, ठीक है। तो ऐसा हो सकता है कि मैम के परसेप्शन से मैम पहले आप वो काम खुद कर लें, फिर आप देखिए कि अगर कुछ ऐड हो सकता है या डिलीट हो सकता है, वो आप चेक करवाना चाहते हैं।
दे रही हूँ, कोई मुझे बोलता नहीं ऐसे होने से ऐसा अच्छा होता, मुझे पता है कि बेट दे रही हूँ, लोगों का आदत है कुछ ना कुछ कहना।
थैंक यू, वन क्लैप फॉर मैम। Actually why I told you lack of personal accomplishment you need to first believe on yourself। वो मैम ने बहुत बड़ा एग्जाम्पल दिया है, ठीक है। she has proved कि first you need to believe on yourself कि what you are doing that is the best and you are the best, okay। so stress is not the same for everyone। any other example?
Madam, there are so many stresses that they are in school, but in my case, the most difficult stress is to approve the CL application from principals.
Actually, sir, this stress is same for everyone। वो 12 CL के बाद और ठीक अगर हमारा काम वो किसी फंक्शन के टाइम को तो you are the most important person at that time in the school। रीजंस ढूंढने पड़ते हैं सर उसके लिए, तो उसके लिए एक ऐसा तगड़ा रीजन चाहिए जिससे कि वो हमें CL दे दे। तो वो जब CL नहीं मिल रहा था आई वाज वेरी स्ट्रेस्ड। जब मिल गया फिर खुशी का ठिकाना नहीं रहता। फिर और एक भी चीज़ है, ज़्यादा खुश भी नहीं होना, पहले वाले को पता चल जाएगा कि तुम्हें CL मिल गया उसका काट दो, फिर वो ना कंप्लेन करते कि उसका CL कैसे कट गया। Stress disappear on its own sometimes, it takes time sometime also, like we actually forgot some are the causes, मतलब consequences of stress is stomach ache, headache, indigestion, urination is also one type of stress। बहुत लोगों को ये फील होता है, ठीक है। सो वो जब वो स्ट्रेस खत्म, वो चीज़ भी खत्म हो जाती है। बट और हमें कभी कभी लगता है कि वो चीज़ नेचुरली हो रहा है, बिकॉज आई माइट हैव टेकन चाउमीन लास्ट नाइट, पिज्ज़ा और सब अनशन खा लिया होगा इसीलिए ये हो रहा है। बट वी नीड टू थिंक कि नहीं, शायद मैं स्ट्रेसफुल हूँ इसीलिए ये चीज़ मेरे साथ हो रहा है। शायद स्ट्रेस के बाद ये चीज़ें क्या हो जाती है, गायब हो जाती है, लेकिन हम सोचते हैं कि शायद अब मेरे फूड हैबिट्स मैंने चेंज कर दिए इस वजह से। वी नीड टू थिंक कि स्ट्रेस का मेन कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस भी क्या है, इंडाइजेशन, एसिडिटी, एंजाइटी, समटाइम वी फील ट्रेमर्स ऑल्सो, शेकिंग एंड एवरीवन इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम हेडेक। और सेकेंड हेडेक का द हायर वर्जन इज माइग्रेन। बॉडी और माइंड का एक्चुअली कोऑर्डिनेशन नहीं है, एंड एक्चुअली हु इज एक्चुअली डायरेक्टिंग अस ऑल दीज थिंग्स टू डू, आवर हार्ट और माइंड। तो वो बोलते हैं ना कि वो बहुत दिल से सोचता है, वो बहुत दिल का साफ है, वो एक्चुअली कहाँ से साफ है, माइंड से। हु इज एक्चुअली डायरेक्टिंग द हार्ट एंड एवरीवन टू परफॉर्म, द माइंड ओनली। तो ही इज क्लियर फ्रॉम द माइंड। नहीं मैम, वो भी इमोशंस, वो भी ब्रेन ही कंट्रोल करता है। सो एक्चुअली हम लोग सोचते हैं ना कि वो हार्ट कंट्रोल कर रहा है, हार्ट इज एक्चुअली कंट्रोलिंग, बट हु इज डायरेक्टिंग द हार्ट, माइंड। तो सब कुछ यहीं पर है। सो फर्स्ट वी नीड टू कंट्रोल व्हाट, द माइंड। एज वी हैव heard the story of Buddha when he was doing that yoga heat scorching sun, and all the snails they were above his head, so prevent him from what, heat stroke. So first his mind was actually calmed by the help of snake and by the Buddha himself also. Then after he channelized himself to give all the things which he want to give it to his disciples. So first we need to calm what? Mind. Actually mind is the only thing who is directing everyone to do everything. Then ignoring stress is healthy. Can we ignore our stress? No. We need to tackle our stress. We can't ignore our stress. If we ignore the stress, then might be that the stress will compile up and it will create a heap of stress which later on will be difficult for us to handle it. मेरे अंदर स्ट्रेस नहीं है, मुझे इससे पहले स्ट्रेस था और नेक्स्ट वाला मैं कैसे प्रेजेंट करूंगी, लेकिन आई एम नॉट शोइंग ऑन माई फेस, दैट डजंट मीन दैट आई एम नॉट हैविंग स्ट्रेस, आई एम हैविंग. तो नो, आई एम राइट नाउ एक्चुअली व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, आई एम camouflaging my stress with the help of a smile and by presenting whatever I need to speak, whatever I want to deliver my speech, I am camouflaging it, but that doesn't mean कि I am not having stress. कोई सुबह सुबह स्कूल आता है, हम सोचते हैं उसी की लाइफ में सारा प्रॉब्लम है. When a person is coming with a healthy smile and greeting to everyone, हम सोचते हैं भाई इसकी लाइफ में कोई स्ट्रेस ही नहीं है, मस्त बंदा है, ये मस्त बंदी है. नहीं, वो उन्होंने मे भी अपने स्ट्रेस को क्या किया है, चैनलाइज किया है या ओवरकम किया है, या वो वर्क प्लेस में या कहीं पर अपना स्ट्रेस दिखाना नहीं चाहते, बट दैट डजंट मीन कि उनके पास स्ट्रेस नहीं है.
Some stress also reflect.
हाँ, some stress it are not reflecting.
Yes, I tell you.
हाँ.
And some people that it transform by sharing or something.
हाँ. और एक किसी ने बहुत अच्छा वर्ड बोला, ट्रांसफरिंग द स्ट्रेस. मतलब जब मुझे एक बार हैविंग अ स्ट्रेस, आई एम हैविंग एनी प्रॉब्लम, आई आस्क टू माय कलीग एंड माय फ्रेंड्स कि मुझे ये प्रॉब्लम है, आप मुझे आंसर बता दीजिए. और कुछ लोग होते हैं अपना स्ट्रेस दूसरों को दे देते हैं. तो मैंने अपना स्ट्रेस दूसरों को दे दिया, अब मैं टेंशन फ्री हूँ.
No ma'am, principal is there and he also stress. Each is share some work with the other. It's reduce.
हाँ, वो फिर reduce हो जाती है, हमारा स्ट्रेस बढ़ जाता है. अगर उसमें से हम अपना स्ट्रेस फिर किसी को दे देते हम स्ट्रेस फिर, लेकिन फिर वही है ना, प्रिंसिपल के पास, प्रिंसिपल ने अपना वो काम किसी और को दे दिया. प्रिंसिपल के 1000 काम होते हैं, उससे भी ज़्यादा बड़े बड़े काम होंगे शायद उनके पास. ठीक है, फिर हमने जब अपना काम किसी और को दे दिया, क्योंकि मेरे पास और लाइन में और 10 काम है, तो सेम वी नीड समटाइम वी ट्रांसफर आल्सो आवर स्ट्रेस. सो दैट डजंट मीन कि इफ वी आर हैप्पी, वी आर स्माइलिंग, वी आर स्ट्रेस फ्री, मे बी वी हैव ओवरकम दैट सिचुएशन. अब छोड़ के नई जगह गई, क्यों गई? मे बी मुझे कुछ और कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स थे या कुछ ही रीजन था जो मैं दूसरी जगह गई, तो वहाँ मुझे और काम मिला. तो आई नीड टू थिंक कि मैं तो इधर छोड़ के आई थी, आई हैव कम हियर फॉर सम अदर पर्पस to excel in my life, to go into a higher standard. So that stress I need to take in a positive way or in a negative way. Positive way. So eliminating stress completely is possible. No, you cannot eliminate the stress part in your life. Only you need to handle that situation. How to handle that situation? You cannot completely eliminate that stress. One major event cause stress. Only major event cause stress. एक बहुत important point है. Small also they are also stressful in our life. Only major events can cause stress. ये नहीं होता है कि एक बहुत बड़ा reason है तो ही मेरी लाइफ में स्ट्रेस है. I told you कि किसी का एक्सीडेंट हो गया, वही वो एक बड़ा स्ट्रेस है, इसीलिए वो स्ट्रेसफुल है. क्यों? डाइजेशन, नेक एट, देन stomach है, headache है, stress नहीं है. These are also small stress, but this will hamper in a longer way. You should handle stress on your own times, yes, and sometimes no. We always need our peer growth, family, and to make what I am going through. They can also help in other way. So stress can be handled of our own sometimes, but sometimes we need to share the things with others. Then ignoring stress will make you go away. No. I told you it will compile up and it will give you a more stress. But some stress can be positive and motivating. Okay, suppose as we all have attended this session, after this session you all will be motivated. You all will now channelize yourself. We all will learn something from this session, so we can impart this knowledge to others as well. Stress can be eliminated or can be managed effectively. Yes, if we are going to manage the stress effectively, then we can eliminate our stress. Suppose if I am suffering from gastric issues or neck ache, headache, I have some remedial measures regarding to that. I need to take jeera water or some medicines or घरेलू उपचार and all. Then headache के लिए head massage and all. So this can eliminate some of the stress of our life. Everyday situations can make cause stress over time. So ऐसे कुछ भी stress होते हैं जो over time क्या हो जाते हैं, बढ़ जाते हैं, और over time क्या हो जाते हैं, कम भी हो जाते हैं. It depends on what stress you are going through. जैसे सर ने बोला, first time entering into the class was very stressful. लेकिन over time वो stress क्या हो गया हमारा? Over time that stress has been ठीक है, कभी-कभी बढ़ जाता है, कभी-कभी वो क्या हो जाता है, कम हो जाता है. जैसे कि अगर हमारे नए चैप्टर्स ऐड हो गए, then stress will increase. चैप्टर डिक्रीज हो गए, stress will automatically it will decrease. ठीक है. If CBSE is going to introduce only MCQ questions, increase paper checking will decrease. पेपर टेकिंग में बहुत इजी हो जाएगा आप लोगों को. बट इफ CBSE has introduced only subjective questions, बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस आएगी, बहुत घूमना पड़ेगा, फिर हमें सारे आंसर बैठ के सारे पढ़ना है. This time KB has introduced subjective as well as objective in exam. So you all are stressed now. पहले तो सिर्फ objective था, अभी subjective भी लिखना पड़ेगा. पहले सिर्फ एक एग्जाम था, अभी 2 एग्जाम के बाद इंटरव्यू देने जाएंगे अगर क्वालिफाई हुए तो. So but this KB as he has introduced, वो एक in a positive way we all should take. Now we will read seriously or not? We will prepare for the KB exam more seriously so that we can qualify and we can write down something there. Stress is normal, so there is a myth about and fear about stress, and we need to overcome this stress. So I want everyone should do one activity related to myth and misconception about stress. So I have 15 cups with me. I want in each group around 7-8 people should be there. 7-8 in each table. In each table. In each table. Shoulder cup. When I tell cup, you need to snatch that cup. So you are not snatching chair, rather than you are snatching what? Cup. So 5 cup है. So 8 number of participants in the first 3 round, 3 will be compete for the last time. You can release your friend's stress by patting on others. That is a good technique, sir. So actually ma'am is going to bring मेरे पास और थे always winning means you need to be very stressful. I want to win anyhow this game or so this is a myth. We need to overcome this myth. Our friend is also winning. So we need to come out from that myth. Thank you. So we'll begin. Ready, 1, 2, 3, head, ear, shoulder, cup. Head, ear, shoulder, cup. Ear, head, cup. Head, ear, shoulder, cup. Shoulder, cup. Ear, shoulder, cup. Not many referees, I don't have to take attention. Head, ear, shoulder, cup.
Ready?
ठीक है sir, let's start. Head, ear, cup. Start. Head, ear, shoulder, cup. Okay, ma'am. What's your name, ma'am? Thank you, ma'am. Magarishwar. Okay, thank you, ma'am. So big round of applause for ma'am. And you are now stress free. Okay, thank you. About the sources